Today we are going to learn how to import the data warehouse data in MS Excel and create the pivot table and pivot chart. So let's start. Before doing this practical, you should perform practical 3 and then perform the steps of practical 6b. Now open Excel, then go to data tabs, then go to get data, legacy wizards, from data connections, and select SQL server. Server name is dot, click on next, select DW, click on next, finish, then select pivot chart, click on OK, click on ID, name, sal, is the amount. The pivot chart is ready.